Hi guys, today I'm doing another fashion haul. I'm so excited, to be honest. I got a lot of good stuff. So many sales and some stuff I needed and random stuff. So we're gonna get into it. I have a lot of different things and this is going to be a try-on haul, yay! Which makes me feel good and I love editing it. I think it looks better and I love watching try-on hauls, but at the same time filming it is like a nightmare regardless. First thing I got was an accessory and these are $8 from Amazon. I put these in a vlog a couple weeks ago, but I just wanted to show them again. These are a pair of glasses I got from Amazon. They're fake. I do wear actual glasses, but I just wanted to try like the shape before like looking into ones that actually have a lens in them. This part feels nice, but this lens is like so chintzy. But this is what they look like. They're so dirty, so ignore that. But at first I hated them, but I'm actually kind of like growing into them. I kind of like them. I'll link them below. My sister picked me up a pair of sunglasses in the mall. So they're at like a kiosk, but they come in this cute little thing, case, and they look like this. They're kind of aviators, but they look like different, like updated aviators. They're again tortoise shell. I think it says the brand is Prive. Whoa, look at that. They're kind of big for my face, but when I really want to kind of block out the sun, this is nice because most of mine are very tiny and just cute. But I like these actually. Like if I was a celebrity and needed to get away from the paparazzi, these would totally be like good. That sounded so lame. And then also what's so cool about this case is that if you're not using it, like say you keep this in your bag and you're wearing the sunglasses to save space, it actually like becomes flat. That's kind of cool. Then we have sneakers. I got these Nikes. You guys know I have black Nikes. I'm obsessed with. They're the Air Max Thea. I've been wearing them consistently for like 2.5 years. They've still lasted. Like I still got compliments on them like last week when I wore them to the doctors. But they're black, and although I love like black goes with everything, when it gets to spring and summer, I feel like black can look kind of harsh with certain clothes. So I wanted to get a lighter pair, and I got these. They're a different style, but they're super cute, super simple. I love the light gray. I also these are more like mesh here. They're not like any solid bits around here, but I really like them. I've worn them a couple of times. I still have to put my arches in them because I have bad feet, but they're super lightweight. I don't know, it doesn't say what the style is. I wish I could tell you. They were I think $65 at Kohl's, so I'll try to link them below if I can find them, but they're so cute and I'm obsessed with them. Another pair of shoes I got from Macy's. I actually recently did like a little shop for more like grown-up clothes. I don't know when I'm going to a wedding or God forbid a funeral. I feel like there's just times or like a christening, whatever. You want to look nice and I don't have any kind of like nice looking clothes. Those are the like situations where you kind of want to feel comfortable but also look nice. I don't have anything for that. One thing I definitely don't have is shoes, and I don't wear heels. Just not gonna happen. Like even if I have a pair of heels, I'm never gonna wear them ever. I got these flats from Lucky Brand at Macy's. They were on sale and they look like this. Nothing crazy at all. I thought they were just a little bit nicer than like your everyday like flat black shoe. I will have to put my insoles in them, but they're size 8. I think they're cute. They're like suede material, and I liked that this was just kind of like asymmetrical. They're not too pointy, but they're not like too rounded, and I just think they're really cute. I think they'll go with everything. If you want to see the rest of my stuff for like occasions, I'll show you that first. I'm not gonna be able to show you this here. I'm gonna have to show you in the try on, but I got this dress from Bar 3 and they had extra small. Only reason it fits me. And it's this pattern. It's like a wrap dress almost, but it's just I wanted this one because I had tried a different one recently and I returned it because it made me look way too thin. I'm very thin, and something that most people want is like hourglass shape, and I want that too, but if it's too slumming at the waist, I look very bizarre. So this I thought would be perfect because it has these really poofy sleeves, which a lot of people might not like, but I like them. It's very lightweight and comfortable too. But the poofy sleeves kind of like make me look less slim. If you're trying to look slim, I don't know if this is like a perfect dress because it's a very huge print and things like that. It has a little bow here that ties and it kind of flares out, but not too much. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. It zips up in the back and I love the colors of it because it's kind of like it's dark and it's black, so it could be good for pretty much any occasion, but it also has a pattern, so it's a little bit different, and I just feel like I could literally wear this absolutely anywhere. It fits me absolutely perfectly, and I actually really love it. I think this was $25 or $30, originally $89, so definitely check out Macy's sale section, guys, because like this is a really nice dress. Another thing I got for like nice occasions was these pants, because I have blazers and like nice tops and stuff, but I don't have any bottoms. Most people I guess would wear like a skinny like slacks trousers. I don't know. Really, I'm not a business person, but I just always think like even if I were to get like nice business clothes or something, I won't like them. Like if I don't feel comfortable, I'm not gonna wear them. Like job interviews, everything, like I hate wearing clothes I'm not comfortable in. I got these pants that I am obsessed with. They aren't high rise, but for me they are because I am quite short. They're gonna look super tiny when I show you because I tie them tight, but they have this like tie right here, like a sash. These, I don't know what material, satin. This is almost like a satin material, very thin, so I can wear them summer or winter. They're just black, and they're flare. They have like that shininess to them, and I just feel like I can wear them with any kind of top and just throw on a blazer. They would look super nice, and they're just my style too. The fact that they're high-waisted on me and they fit, and I feel like they would look great with those black flats or even boots you could wear underneath them because you can't see because like the foot pant goes all the way to the floor. I'm just really happy with them. I'm really happy they fit. I got extra small. They're from the brand Bop. I think it's like juniors at Macy's, but I'll try to link everything below like I said. Everything else is pretty much like an everyday wear type item. First off, I got this gray, not gray, it's not gray. It's purple. It's just a purple t-shirt from American Eagle. It's really soft. It says extra small. I don't have anything purple really, so I wanted just to get something purple. It's cropped, but the bottom is kind of elasticy, and then the sleeves are a little bit like poofed. It's not my favorite, to be honest. I don't think purple is really my color, but I just wanted something purple. I think it was on sale for $7 or something. I also got a pair of pants from Nordstrom. These are from the brand O'Neill. They're extra small, and they look like this. I know they look like pajama pants, but they're not. I thought they would be very thin, like beach pants I could wear, because sometimes in the summer I don't want to put shorts on because I didn't shave my legs. But they kind of get tight at the ankle, and they have like a beachy kind of tie here, and I love the color of these. They're like a terracotta. The inside is like a towel, so they're a bit thicker than I was anticipating, but they're very comfortable, and they're like, they fit me really nicely. They were $20 I think at Nordstrom. I like them, so they're not really what I wanted them to be, but I do really like them, and I know people will probably think I'm wearing pajamas, but I don't care. Another pair of pants, and these are like my favorite pants. I'm wearing them every day. It's a problem. These are from American Eagle. They only have a black and a pink pair, and the black didn't have my size, so I got an extra small in the pink one. They're this color, which is very, I'm like really liking this color, although I don't think it looks that good on me. They look like this, and they get tight at the bottom, and they have pockets, and they're just like, I wish you could feel this material, guys. Almost like a gym material, but it's thicker. Like, it keeps you warm, but it's also like cold to the touch, so like it's not really warm. Like, you won't sweat, and you could obviously wear these to the gym. I don't go to the gym, so I just wear them around to do errands. Okay, next up is a sweater from American Eagle, if you can guess it. Like I just said, I don't think I look good in pink, but for some reason I keep buying pink clothes. I think they look really good on the models on the website or something. But this is a pink cardigan. It's literally nothing special. I have like a cardigan like this in like 600 colors. It's really soft material, and it's just long sleeves, and it's pretty long. Like, it covers your butt, has some pockets in it. I just have a lot of sweaters like this that are like beige, gray, white. Like, I wanted a color, and this is the color I settled on, and I like it. I mean, it's cute. I think I've actually worn this in a video already. Again, talking about how I don't look good in pink. I got this sweater, this sweatshirt. It's kind of like the city sweatshirt I have in that greenish color I showed you ages ago, and I got my mom 2 of those in a blue and this color, but this is a cropped version of it. I think it's called like the Beach Crew or something. I'll link it below, but I like that the neck is a little bit different than your average sweatshirt. It's kind of worn looking, like it's a very beachy color. I think it'll look awesome with jean shorts and like the cool summer evenings. One thing I'm loving, which I didn't think I would love this much, is this t-shirt that says the Rolling Stones on it. I do like the Rolling Stones. They're not my favorite, but whatever. I'm one of those people who wears band shirts and I don't know every single song, sue me. But I like yellow. I think I look nice in yellow. I think it's a rare color to see. It has this kind of slit right here, which isn't my favorite thing, to be honest, but whatever, it's no big deal. And I just think it's cool. Like, I don't know, I think it's cool. Some basics I got this plain t-shirt from Aerie or American Eagle. What is this? It's just like this bluish teal with like tie-dye white. It's like the softest thing in the world. It's one of their soft and sexy ones. It's not too long. That's the only thing. It's not like long enough for leggings, but it'll look cute in the summer, and it's like thin and comfy, so you know, you can't really go wrong with that. Another basic. You guys are probably so sick of my hauls. This is just from Gap. It's called the Luxe t-shirt. It's literally a plain gray t-shirt with a scoop neck. 2 more things. One is a sweatshirt from Hanes. I got it from Amazon. It's literally a plain gray crew neck sweatshirt. It's, I think, a men's medium. Soft, comfortable. Nothing to it there. I think it was like $11. And then last but not least, sweater from Urban Outfitters, which I got a long time ago. It's this cardigan, kind of exactly like that pink one, but it's like this gray and black stitched. It just makes it look a little bit different. It's thicker than that one too. It's very warm. And then the sleeves kind of get tight, and then the bottom is like that too. Whatever, it's pretty basic. I really like it, and that's pretty much it for this haul video. Let me know what your favorite thing was, and like I said, I'll link everything below. I know you guys always want me to do that. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.